2 years ago. She finished second. But she blew up the...
Oh shit, it doesn't zoom.
John couldn't finish it.
Stock guys, you need to get to the staging area. There are big gaps between numbers, so just because you got a big number don't mean you're half hour from now. We are already on 6.
Come on, Amy, don't make us look bad.
Get on up here, be staged and be ready. Amy is tired of waiting. Amy Knapp, how you doing? Give me a thumbs up, baby. Stock trucks should all be up towards the staging area.
Hello, Josh. Brad already went.
Lady.
Okay.
It's a good run.
It's my car. He never paid me for it.
She's doing a good job.
Gotta get the light.
That's what John told her not to.
Yeah, I don't accelerate on that.
I think you can get the old crown too.